That dreaded wobble on your Nikon D850's hot shoe can mean a world of trouble for your flash photography, but don't despair. There are ways to bring it back to life. First, we'll explore the DIY route for the mechanically inclined. You'll need a precision screwdriver set, specifically those with very small Phillips head bits. Gently, and I mean gently, begin by trying to identify if any small screws are loose around the hot shoe mount itself. If you find loose screws, carefully tighten them, applying only minimal pressure. The goal is to secure any wobbly components without stripping the thread. Sometimes, a loose screw is the sole culprit behind a compromised mount. If tightening doesn't solve the issue, and you're comfortable with more involved disassembly, you might consider replacement hot shoe mount. You can find these parts online from reputable camera repair suppliers. Before you dive in, extensively research step-by-step disassembly guide specific to the Nikon D850's hot shoe to avoid further damage. This will likely involve removing outer casing screws and very carefully disconnecting fragile ribbon cables that connect the hot shoe to the camera's internal circuitry. Take your time, work in a well-lit area, and keep track of every single screw and its original location. Once the old mount is removed, align the new one precisely and reattach any connecting wires. Reverse the disassembly process meticulously, ensuring all screws are reinstalled correctly and all connections are secure. Test your repair by confidently attaching and firing a flash. If DIY feels too daunting, or if the damage is more severe, professional repair is always a reliable option. Look for reputable camera repair shops specializing in Nikon equipment. They have the expertise, specialized tools, and genuine parts to get your D850's flash mount back to factory spec, ensuring your camera is ready to capture those critical moments again.